Now question number 8. Question number 8. Mohan wants to buy a trapezium shaped field. Okay, its side along the river is parallel to twice the side along the road. Okay, so let me draw the diagram. This is road. Okay, and this is river. Okay, and it is given that the side along the river is parallel to and twice the side along the road. If the area of this field is, let this be A and this be B. B is given as 2A. B is given as 2A. Okay. If the area of the field is 10,500 meters square, 10,500 meters square, and the perpendicular distance between the two parallel sides is 100 meter. Okay, so this distance here is 100 meter. Find the length of the side along the river. We have to find the length of this side which is along the river. Okay, so we all know the area of trapezium is area of trapezium is equal to half into, can anybody tell me what is the area of the trapezium?
Half into sum of
Half
parallel.
into height into sum of parallel sides.
Yes, sum of parallel sides. You have to write this in the chat box. You should not answer like this on mic. Okay, you have to write in the chat box. So area of trapezium is half into h into a plus b, where a and b are parallel sides. A and b are parallel sides. So area of trapezium is given as 10,500 meter square and height is given as 100 and a plus b is a plus 2a plus 2a is 3a plus 2a is 3a. So now let us do the transpose. Let us cancel this 2 once, and this is 50. Okay, now we can transpose this 50 to the other side. So 10,500 divided by 50 is equals to 3a. Okay, we can cancel the 0. Now we can cancel 5 also. 5 ones 5 and 5 twos 10. 5 ones 5 and 0. 210. Then a is equals to, this is 210 is equals to 3a. Let us transpose 3 to the other side. Then it becomes 210 divided by 3, which is equals to a. This is 3. Okay. So this 3 ones and 3 sevens 21. So a is 70 meters. But we have to find out the side along the river. Side along the river is 2a. Therefore 2a is equal to 140 meters. 2a is 140 meters. All of you got the answer? 140 meters. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So the side along the river is 140 meters and the side along the road is 70 meters. All of you understood this question?
Yes, sir.
Yes? Okay. Now question number 9. The top surface of a raised platform is in the shape of a regular octagon as shown in the figure. Find the area of the octagonal surface. Okay, we have to find the area of the octagonal surface. Question number 9. Question number 9. The top surface of a raised platform is in the shape of a regular octagon. Okay. So this is a regular octagon as shown in the figure. Find the area of the octagonal surface. So this length is 11 meters. This is 4 meters. And this is 5 meters. Okay. Since it is a regular octagon, all the sides are of 5 meter. All the sides are of 5 meter. This is 5 meters. This is also 5 meters. Okay. And this side is 11 meters. Okay. So we have divided the octagon into 3 parts. To find out the area of this octagon, we have to find out the area of these 3 parts and then we have to add. Okay. So area of octagon is equals to area of trapezium plus area of rectangle.
Sir, 2a square into the root 2 plus 1.
So 2 times the area of trapezium. There are 2 trapeziums. Both the trapeziums are congruent. Therefore, I have written 2. 2 into area of trapezium plus area of rectangle. So this is 2 into area of trapezium is half into h into sum of parallel sides. So half into h is 4 meters, half into h into sum of parallel sides. This is 11 and 5. 11 plus 5 is 16. 16 plus area of rectangle is length into breadth. Length is 11 and breadth is 5. Length is 11 and breadth is 5. So this 2 gets cancelled. So area is 4 into 16. 64 plus 11 into 5, 55, which is equals to 109 meter square. 109 meter square.
Sir, ये 2a square into root 2 plus 1 ये किसका एरिया है?
Write in the chat box. Your voice is not clear. Okay. All of you got the answer. 119 meter square. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All of you understood how to find out the area of octagon. We have to divide the octagon into different parts, and then we have to add the area of those parts. Okay, so I have divided this octagon into three parts where the two parts are identical trapezium. Okay, therefore area of octagon is 2 into area of trapezium plus area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is length into breadth. Okay, all of you understood this? Okay. Question number 10. There is a pentagonal shaped park as shown in the figure. For finding its area, Jyoti and Kavita divided it into two different ways. Okay. Find the area of the park using both ways. Can you suggest some other way of finding this area? Okay, so we will find out. Question number 10. Question number 10. Okay, a pentagonal shaped park is given like this. This is 30 meters. From here it is 15 meters. This is also 15 meters. And these two sides are equal. Okay, and let us divide so Jyoti has divided this figure like this, and Kavita has divided the figure like this. We have to find out the area in two different ways. Okay, so here when we divide it like this, we get two trapeziums. Okay, so what to find out the area of the total figure, we have to add the area of two trapezium. These two trapeziums are identical, therefore area of pentagon is equals to, since two trapeziums are identical, I am multiplying with 2 into area of trapezium. 2 into area of trapezium. Okay, so area of trapezium is half into h. H is 15 by 2. H is 15 by 2 into sum of the parallel sides. Sum of parallel side, this is 15 and this is 30, therefore 45. Sum of parallel sides is 45. Now we can cancel these two, and this is 15 into 45 divided by 2. Tell me the answer. Multiply and tell me the answer. And here it will be area of pentagon is equals to area of triangle plus area of square. area of triangle plus area of square. Area of triangle is half into base is 15 and height is 15 plus
337.5.
15 square. 3.
337.5.
All of you got the same
337.5.
answer here.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
337.5 meter square. 337.5 meter square. And here 15 square.
Sir, 337.5 meter square.
15 square. Tell me what is the value of
225.
87.5.
225.
225 plus 225 divided 225 divided by 2. Find out 225 divided by 2.
112 by
112.5.
112.5 plus 225. So what
Sir,
is the value?
337.5 meter square.
337.5
meter square.
337.5 meter square. So in both the cases we got the same answer. In both the cases we got the same answer. So can you suggest some other way of finding its area? Is there any other method to find out the area? Is there any other method to find out its area? Is there any other method to find out its area? Write in the chat box.
No, sir.
No. Is there any other method? If you know any method, write in the chat box. Steven, sum of all sides will give us the perimeter, not the area. Sum of all the sides will give us the perimeter.
सर पहले उसको रेक्टेंगल का निकाल लो एरिया और फिर ट्रायंगल का निकाल लो और दोनों को ऐड कर लेंगे.
Yes, we have done this in Kavita's method. In Kavita's method, we divided it into a square and a triangle. Is there any other method?
Sir, I have written in the chat box the other method.
Yes, we can think of as rhombus and the three triangles. Good. We can make
सर 1 rhombus and 3 triangle वाला मेथड मैंने बोला था.
okay. Okay, so how we will divide? Look here. Okay, we can divide the figure like this. Understood? There is. Okay, now question number 11. Question number 11. Question number 11. Diagram of the adjacent picture frame has outer dimensions 24 centimeter into 28 centimeter and the inner dimension 16 centimeter into 20 centimeter. Find the area of each section of the frame if the width of each section is same. Width of each section is same. So let us first draw the diagram. Okay, so outer dimensions are 24 centimeter and 28 centimeter, and inner dimensions are 16 centimeter and 20 centimeter. Okay, we have to find out the area of the each section of the frame. We have to find out this shaded area. Okay, we have to find out the shaded area. Okay, so
Sir, area of a small region minus area of a big region minus area of a small region.
So we see that here all these four trapeziums are identical. All these four trapeziums are okay. The four trapeziums are not identical. Opposite trapeziums are identical. Okay, this trapezium is similar to this trapezium, and the trapezium here is similar to the trapezium which is here. Okay, so we see that their widths are equal. The width of the trapeziums are equal. Therefore,
विड्थ भी फाइंड करनी होगी फिर तो.
yes, width is 4 centimeters. Width is 4 centimeters.
Sir, how?
Okay, so look here, this is from here to here it is 24 centimeter, and here in between we have 16 centimeter, which means that 4 centimeter is here. This is 4 centimeter. This is 4 centimeter.
Yes,
And
sir.
this is 4 centimeter. Okay, 16 plus 4 20, and 20 plus 4 24 centimeter. Understood now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Similarly here, this is 4 centimeter, and this is also 4 centimeter. So 20 centimeter plus 4 centimeter is 24 centimeter, plus 4 centimeter is 28 centimeter. Okay, so width of all the trapeziums are equal. So area, shaded area, is equals to, okay, so I am going to find out for two sets of trapeziums which are identical. Opposite trapeziums are identical here. Okay, so 2 into, first let me take the top and bottom one. So 2 into half into h is 4 centimeter. H is 4 into sum of parallel sides. Parallel sides is 24 centimeter plus 16 centimeter, that is 40 centimeter. Okay, so this 2 and 2 gets cancelled, and this is 4 into 4 16 and 1 0, 160 centimeter square, plus the other set of trapeziums, where 2 into half into h is 4 and sum of parallel sides is 20 plus 28, 48. 48. Okay, this 2 and 2 gets cancelled. 4 is multiplied by 48, so 192 centimeter square. Find out the sum. Find out the sum. 160 plus 192.
252.
352. 352 centimeter square. 352 centimeter square.
352 centimeter square.
All of you understood this?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
No, let me explain once again.
Yes, sir.
This is a picture frame and its dimensions are given. This is 24 centimeter and this is 28 centimeter, and the inner dimensions are 16 centimeter and 20 centimeters. Okay, so there are 4 sections in this frame, and the opposite sections or the trapeziums are equal. Opposite trapeziums are identical. Okay, so instead of finding out each one separately, I have multiplied with 2 to find out the area. Okay, so for top and bottom trapezium, we have half into base is height is 4 and sum of parallel sides is 40. 24 plus 16 is 40. So here we got 160 centimeter square, and in the other 2 trapeziums, I have multiplied half into 4 into sum of parallel sides is 48. Okay, so total 192 centimeter square. We added 160 and 190 to 192 to get 352 centimeter square. Is it correct now? All of you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Do you have
Yes,
any
sir.
doubts?
Yes, sir. Clear. Understood.
No doubt, sir.
No doubt?
Sir, attendance.
Sir, attendance.
Wait.
Sir, attendance.
Yes, wait for a few minutes. I am taking your attendance. I am marking your attendance.
Sir, attendance.
Yes, I am marking your attendance. Okay, I have marked your attendance. If you have any doubt, you can ask now.
The syllabus for MCQ.
No doubt, sir.
The
सर
syllabus for
सिलेबस व्हाट्सएप पर भेज देना सर सिलेबस
Bye, sir.
Sir, syllabus for MCQ.
Sir, syllabus for MCQ.
It will be informed to you in the WhatsApp group. Okay.
ओके सर
Okay.
sir.
The syllabus for MCQ.
Bye, sir.
हेलो सर
Sir, syllabus for MCQ.
Sir, attendance.
I have marked your attendance.
So मेरी लग गई क्या मुकुल चौधरी?
Sir,
Sir, 0327% लगी सर मेरी.
Sir,
Sir,
Okay,
syllabus for
0327% लगी. Sir, present लगी मेरी.
That's all for this session. Thank you.
MCQ.
Sir, मेरी present लगी.
Yes, sir.
Sir, 0327.
अरे सर है ही नहीं
Sir, 0327. 68027।
अरे सर ने मार्क कर लिया अटेंडेंस, मत बोल।
किसको बोल रहा है?
सर गए।
अच्छा अच्छा, ऐसा तो पहले ही चल गया था ना, सब अब बोल क्यों रहे अटेंडेंस?
तू भी तो बोल रहा था तो।
हाँ, भूल गया था, सॉरी।
चुप रहा, मैं तेरे से नहीं बोल।
रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है। अरे रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है।
दिन भर तेरे एक ही गाना बजता रहता है क्या? हाँ तो एक ही गाना तो तू और सुनता है, तब से वही चला रहा है। दिन भर तेरे एक गाना बजता है क्या? गाते वक्त भी ये बजाता है।
अरे रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है, अरे रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है इधर। और यूट्यूब में।
और जो भी ये गाने सुन रहे, तुम लोगों को शर्म नहीं आती क्या रे?
अरे रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है भाई। अरे कल तो छुट्टी लग रही है क्या?
हाँ रे, कल से छुट्टियां लग रही है, मुझे तो पता ही नहीं था।
नहीं,
थैंक यू
कल से
कंप्लीट
छुट्टियां नहीं,
बताने के
कल से
लिए।
स्कूल आना है कल पे।
अरे यार भानु, मुझे पता ही नहीं था, थैंक यू बताने के लिए यार।
अरे मजाक कर रहा है ये।
ऐसा पता चल गया क्या तेरे को?
आ,
इतना
एक
दिमाग है तेरे में।
एजेंसी ले रखी है मैंने।